Greetings, Assalamu alaikum, voice from the Gambia, digital voice from the smiling coast of West Africa. Here go, as we said, we're born to represent the United States of Africa, and we always love to see Gambian diasporas, Gambian brothers in abroad, Gambian brothers in the US, all over the globe investing back in the motherland. As we said, we always are in here to represent the United States of Africa and to represent the Gambia, red, white, blue, white, green to the four corners of the world. He has a new apartment which is newly built and no one never lived in there. So what we're gonna do is, in case when you're out there, you want your family to comfort or you're looking for a comfortable place in the Gambia, the smiling coast of the world, here is a new settlement called Tintinto Sotokoi Alatiento. So you can simply contact the number in the middle of the video and the end of the video. Talk to them live and direct if you want your family to live comfort. And that's our rental shop, a corner shop. So it's a new settlement all over. So right now, here's a shop which is 4 by 3 meters. And you can simply have 2-in-1 and a single shop right. So each and every room has their own cash power. So shop for rent, right? So in case you can rent in and then also have a shop outside. So right, this one is a single and with the cash power, the meter is here and there's a meter for these two shop. So the two shops, the two doors that you see is like 2-in-1. Yeah. So we're going to move in and then show you, right? In case if you are gonna be live in here, you're gonna come along with your stuffs and then you are the one that gonna furnish everything inside. So Papaji behind the camera, the number one and the digital cameraman behind the camera. I am Lucky Child, the eye of the Gambia, aka the Prince of Africa, working hard each and every day to change the narrative of our motherland. That Africa belongs to the Africans and Africans can change this big narrative of Africa. So we can't wait to move inside just to show you how amusing it is inside. The landscape is really standard. Green is part of nature. It's part of life. What is life without green? So the landscaping is standard. That's a security house. Right? So you can live in life from 6 months, up to any year you want to live. As long as living in here, you are comfort with the securities and everything. Yes, we're gonna meet our brother, right? Who can take us through the journey and then show us everything. Um, you can send your regards to the four corners of the world.
Ok, salaamaaleykum gars yi ñu ngi leen di bëggee di nuyu kenn ku ci nekk rek sa tur ak sant.
Yeah.
di la wax ak welcome back fii moo nekk suñ house buñ build already. bëgg ko rent. We have a little
Lucky Child
here. You are welcome.
Yes.
Yeah.
So well before we go further, I will let you know that the owner is a Gambian down there in America, in US, working out each and every day just to make a joining hand to the Gambians to change the narrative and also develop the motherland. So right, if you're out there, I think upstairs there are 2 rooms is here.
Yeah, 2 apartments.
2 apartments.
Down also 2 apartments.
2 apartments, and then you have 2 room and parlors here.
Yeah, 2 room and parlor.
2 room, no 3 room and parlor, only 2 room and parlor.
With dining and kitchen.
Dining and kitchen with electricity inside, fans and everything. So as well, you can take a good look all over the world. You can spot lights right all over and the security barbed wires. So comfort and leave your mind in the smiling coast, the unique coast, the wonderful coast. So that's the way it's gonna be look. At the night time, everywhere gonna be bright. So if you are not here, your family are comfort with the security right. So mun nga ñu lidal sa biir.
Okay, welcome then.
Yeah. Wow. But look at that. It's a flower. Welcome.
Okay, if you want to living room.
Yes, the living room, yeah?
Yeah, salve, yeah.
right, and you can see the living room, how big it is and how comfort it is.
Yeah.
And that's the toilet, right? Yeah, this is the kitchen, yeah?
Kitchen, yeah.
Yeah, and that's the dining room. Wow.
Yeah. This is the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also you have an outside
Yeah,
toilet.
outside door, yeah.
Outside door?
Yeah.
Wow. And you can simply pour. You have it outside, tap in case if you want to launder your clothes or whatsoever. There's a tap behind there. You can zoom back. You see. Wow. So can you show them this? That's everything here, right? Is brand new. So if you're gonna live here, you're gonna be the first person to live in. So make sure call them on time, talk to them, in case if you want to be the first room, right? So that's a guest toilet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So remember when you're coming up with everything. You're gonna be furnished everywhere.
Bedroom, 2 bedroom.
2 bedrooms. What is the size of the bedroom? Here is the master bedroom, yeah?
Yeah, it's
And that's the
4 by
guest
4.
bedroom
Yeah,
or the kids.
the kids bedroom. Yeah.
Yeah. That's master. Wow. Oh, plumber le bota jama me, yeah? The
Yeah.
plumbers, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the master toilet. Yes, man. Wow. Look how bright it is inside. So that's the heater in case when you need the warm water, no hot water and cold water, any. Yeah, so the tap is available, right? So it don't follow by your cold bay use la cold bay available in the right, yeah? That's half na land with your everything. Comme ma len ko de war rek smiling course lañ nekk ni pa nit ko ci benen neeg.
Yeah, if you want the other bedroom also.
Wow, that's okay. Okay, every room has a toilet, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. And then also you have the guest toilet over there.
Yeah.
Wow. So mën nga ñu wax lu ndaw about the CEO ku samp fii. For how long lu mu leen jëlal pour ngeen jeexal fii? Because am na story building yu mel ni comme 6 months am na yoo xam ne dafay dem ba year. So how long mu leen jëlal pour samp fii?
But we've been almost 6 years.
6 years, yeah?
Yeah, we since we started
Building it.
but like 6 years now, yeah.
Okay, da ngeen ko dee build ngeen jël break.
Yeah, we've been taking
continue ngeen break.
but now alhamdulillah, everything is finished.
Finally it's done.
Yeah.
I love the spotlights and everything up there, the settings, the ceiling, and the room itself is white. White represents peace, stability, and comfortability. Is it? So we can take a next step to the. So the first room there and
this is the first
one,
apartment.
the first apartment.
Yeah, that one is the second one.
The second one.
Yeah,
they are all the same, yeah.
Yeah, the same size.
So
the
every
same
apartment has their own meter, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, which is great. And a little veranda over here where you can feel your wind. Wow. But let's follow him. Whoa. Stove Vini, can you use nobody use this stove. It's brand new. So come up, let me show them everything here. It never been used before. So when coming up, you just bring your your kitchen tools and everything that's necessary to bring. And wow. So fitam 2 room la.
Yeah, 2 room and they are all the same.
They are all the same.
Yeah, lu nekk fële moo nekk fii.
Hey Pawaji, fee is just like a kind of little like a hideout, a studio. So that's just guest toilet. So remember, every house has a guest toilet.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Wow. That's a nice house though. Can't wait to comfort my mind here. Wow. Okay, finally everything is available. Yeah. So dafa desi borom ku koy dégg fi ku buga comme yow yaay defal sa bopp AC, yeah?
Waaw yaay def AC, waaw yaay defal sa bopp AC.
Yaay defal sa bopp AC comme soo bëggee. Yeah. Bi tam beneen one.
Yeah, bi tam toilet la.
Here is the master bedroom.
Yeah, here is the master bedroom.
Master bedroom, and that will be the master toilet. Wow. Wow. Very comfortable, you know.
We also have a toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a toilet here.
Yeah.
So everything is working
Yeah,
as
everything is working.
yeah. Nice. Light is available as you see. You can spot the light, you know, the toilet and everything. So make sure you welcome you guys all whoever want to live in Tintinto, eh?
Yeah, I'll attend to Saturday.
I'll attend to Soto Koyo. So we're now going to the next upstairs apartment. So is there any different you nekk si suuf ak yu nekk si kaw sampa bi benn bi la
No,
ndax
they are all the
yëpp
same.
benn settings bi la
Yeah.
yes mun nañoo wonal gaay upstairs at least. So right now what we're gonna do is we will drop his number. Is the caretaker right now. And then the brother is out there. So ku buga rek mom number mi la ñoo def.
Yeah.
Ku buga ñoo sees fii wala sa mbokk mu ñoo seesi ko rek. Moom mooy available mu ngi daf lay laaka soose nag laaka wolof bi tam. Any language. So soo leen ko waxtaanee rek it will be easier pour mu andi leen fii. Pour ñoo def site visit, right?
Yeah.
Te du?
Yeah.
So noonu lay defee sa service ndax yaay dem jëli gars yi si turntable bi nga andi leen ndax da ngeen di direct gars yi pour ñu ñëw fii.
waaw suñ paree ni ñu ko bëggee rek suñ ma koolee man mun naa leen jëli ñëw wan leen fii.
Waaw
su fekkee tamit mun nañu daggee any place we can do it also.
waaw yow fan moo nekk sa best place like because yaa ngaa dem ak a ñëw comme yow soo naree dëkk fii yow fooy dëkk si kaw nga si suuf.
non man anywhere. because néeg yëpp a cool. lu nga am ci suuf moom nga am ci kaw.
nga am ci kaw ak ci suuf.
two apartment down, yeah.
But I love the aerial view. You
Yeah.
know, when you're upstairs, you always can spot is the green diamond, the green buildings.
Yeah.
And also you can simply spot, the new buildings around. So it's a new settlement. Everywhere is calm, cool. You know, hear too much of, music. You know, hear disturbance. You know, it's a very steady and comfortable neighborhood. So right, Babaji. Can you show them the aerial view and then show them the nature? Green agriculture is part of life. You see? There's Princess House. You see that white building there? You see? It's where Princess is. So right now, you can show them the aerial view. Tintinto. It's a new settlement. People are building, people are coming up, people build their fence, start building step by step, even the neighboring wood here. But green, what is beauty than? Which color is beauty than green?
Yeah.
Huh? One color more than green.
It's a very nice color, yeah.
Huh?
Green is a very nice color.
Green is a very nice color, man. Wow. And red is the unity color because there is no man who has a blue color, a blue blood or a blue or green blood or whatsoever. Every human has a red color. So that's the color that Allah choose for every human. So straightforward. That's another one. In case, Papa, you love the ceiling. You zoom the ceiling first before anything. Yeah. Wow, look at the color of the tile, Papa. How do you see it?
Yes, perfect.
Perfect, yeah.
Nice color.
Nice color. Wow. So what about bunda bi ni nak mom da ngeen ko fix on?
No, dañ koy génne.
Yeah. Wow. Right. So len gaawul ngeen call telephone bi. 4 rooms la, yeah?
Yeah, 4 bedrooms.
Four rooms, 4 apartments.
Yeah, 4 apartments.
So ku kooloon gaaw xamal ne ñeneenti nit rek ñoo ko mën a am ak famille am wala soo bëggee dëkka yow kenn daal. Des na si yow. So amut xaar ba ëllëg ba gannaaw ëllëg seetaan nga vidéo bi tey make sure you call today.
Yeah.
Because it is only 4 apartments, right? So when we put it on air, it's gonna go viral globally around the world. So if you're part of the first viewers and you need a comfort place, what you're gonna do is just call, ring the number right now. What will it here, So Pa, there's another toilet here. So everything is set up for you. All you need to do is to bring your furnitures in, your bed, your seats, your TV. But everything is set up. All necessary things need to be set up. I've already set. Boy, imagine college, stability, comfort, white. Look at that downstairs. Look at downstairs how it is. Ba nga lan mo ma nek bu nek amna on mitam.
Yeah, on cash power.
Yeah, bu mo bu yalla fan sun cash power sotle iba jele comme ni tela kurango because small ka kurango use nyama mange kelenti you know what I mean so ni kurango vibre ko battle later fongota bi jele you know so there's no any solar system like when now it goes
No, we don't have it
automatically
yet, but maybe after we will
it will be part
find.
of
Yeah,
the
yeah.
wow so whoever want to know how much the room is and the houses are started from 6 months
So one year.
to 1 year or 2 year, 3 year, you
Yeah.
know how much you can able to pay. You can call them from now. What would you want from you know, so whoever wants, you can choose this house. I love this one, you know, upstairs. Wow. Look at how comfort this is. Wow. Papa, you so few more leg yeah? Everything is unique. Wow. That's the aerial view. The wind. Okay, dining room be amut fan, huh?
No, I'm fine. Yeah.
There's no fan, okay. But there's a window.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now we can't wait to visit the houses, right? Wow. Nice. But like you be nila fika muda boy man prende roya ya muda but it's part of life. You know. Life.
Beautiful.
New pura. So we go. Yeah man, nibi yele ka sa chance no ka kuja mal ka kunol je no. You know what I mean? Ye kuno nyele. Purani. Is nga pitapi.
Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Blocks.
So finally, everywhere is perfect right now. So that's it. So there is no other time to waste. As I said from the beginning of the video, call them on time. Make sure to talk to them. Remember, every room has or every toilet has a heater, and then every toilet has a shower. Everything is perfect in here. So there's no more time to waste. Konka fanya merek kanu kilinga ni kilin sate kilinga kamenga ke kilinti nyuti ante bugante rek nyumuna yobu suñ deka bi as I always said politics let politics never separate us. Tribalism we pack it away. I always said kanu killing Gambia one voice, one blood, one hand, one family, one nation. Red, white, blue, white, green to the four corner of the world. So as we said, Gambia and Africa to the map of the world. So make sure you call them, talk to them live and direct. Nila family and live, as we always said. You know, what will you be your last and final message to viewers? Then when kasa wabu munyantel si viewers out there because go out call right. Ngane da nga next week like next week dem nañ.
Yeah, di jaajëfal ñëpp rek képp koo xam ne yaa ngi doon seetaan vidéo bi ñu ngi lay bëggee di la wax rek ngeen gaaw appartement ñu ngi fi yu rafet yoo xam ne benn bu ci nekk rek am nga néeg ak cabinet am master bedroom fan everything kitchen dining di wax gars yi rek ne leen bindal nopp ma bi si suuf ku ñëw rek ñu luye la reasonable price am neen ay sob yu ni rent tamit si suuf yeah sob yu mag 8 by 5 and 5 by 5 and 4 by 4 yeah.
So Gambia cannot kill it as we always say, do it today, me not wait till tomorrow. It make me hail that the sun is still bright. In the narrative of Africa, build more factories, companies to employ Gambian brothers and sisters to reduce down criminality. One love Gambia, Babaji behind the camera. Hold it, call them live and direct. Why?